National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood warning for the Hudson River at Poughkeepsie. From late tonight until Friday morning. At 9 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 2.9 feet. Flood stage is 5.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is forecast to reach flood stage by 12 a.m. Friday and forecast to continue to rise to near 5.1 feet around 1 a.m. Friday. The river is forecast to fall below flood stage after 1 a.m. Friday. Impact at 5.0 feet, minor flood stage. Minor flooding of lowlands, boat docks and boat launches. The National Weather